body part's name means शरीर के अंगों के नाम. Head, eyelid means bullock. Eyelid means bullock. Cheek means gull. Cheek means gull. Nostril means nathuna. Nostril means nathuna. Chin means tuddi. Chin means tuddi. Jaw means jabbara. Jaw means jabbara. Skull means kopri. Skull means kopri. Rib means pusli. Rib means pusli. Liver means jigger. Liver means jigger. Intestine means aunt. Intestine means aunt. Armpit means bugle conch. Armpit means bugle conch. Ankle means tukna. Ankle means tukna. Beard means dadhi. Beard means dadhi, mean sir. Head mean sir. Ear means gan. Ear means gan. Nose means knock. Nose means knock. Mouth means moo. Mouth means moo. Tongue means jiba. Tongue means jiba. Teeth means dot. Teeth means dot. Lips means haunt. Lips means haunt. Eyes means ankh. Eyes means ankh. Face means chehra. Face means chehra. Chest means chati. Chest means chati. Neck means gardan. Neck means gardan. Shoulder means khanda. Shoulder means khanda. Arm means baha, bhuja. Arm means baha, bhuja. Hand means hath. Hand means hath. Fist means mutti. Fist means mutti. Leg mean stang. Leg mean stang. Foot means pair. Foot means pair. Hair means bal. Hair means bal. Neck means gardan. Neck means gardan. Nail means nakun. Nail means nakun. Fingers means hath ki anguniya. Fingers means hath ki anguniya. Stomach means pate. Stomach means pate. Knee means ghutna. Knee means ghutna.